Okay, friends, so we are moving with the next topic in MS Word, and that is your bullets and numbering. So I will go to my practice file and I will open a fourth file, that is your bullets and numbering. Okay, so this is my data. I will click on enable editing. I will zoom it and I will go over here and it is written I am open to below locations. And these are all my locations. So if you will see, you have UAE as a name of a country. And under that, you have different cities. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman. Abu Dhabi is coming with red color. So I say right click and you can even do this way, Abu Dhabi. Khalas. Then you have India as a country name. And then under that, you have different cities. You have Oman. And under that, you have two more cities. So basically, three countries are there, and you have different cities into that. And I want to change this into bullets and numbering. So how do we do that? So once you will select this like this, you see how I'm doing. I'm selecting from UAE till India. Now here I will be showing you two things. One is already data is typed and another is you are typing and applying. I will show you both. Give me a minute. Now when I select it and over here I get an option in home that is bullets and numbering. And when you click on this arrow, you get more bullets. So let's say for example, if I select this bullets, so I get all the bullets. But you will see this same bullets is applied for all. So now what I will do, I will put my cursor on Dubai, means before D, and I am pressing a tab key, which is below the escape key. You have written tab key. One arrow is going left side, one arrow going right side. That is your tab key. So I press a tab and it goes ahead, one level ahead. Again, tab, and I say tab, and I say tab. Understood? Simple. Again, I come over here and I select, for example, oh, India should not be done because it's still Ajman. No problem. So I will click on bullet and I will disable it. And then I press a backspace key. Means you should be comfortable in doing all these things. Again, I select from India to Chennai. Again, I click on it. Oh, now again, there is a problem. You see, these problems will come. This is the solution I'm going to give you, how you should play. Now, when I click on it, it comes all like this. So how you should adjust. So I come on Ajman here. I press enter and I press a backspace key. See, backspace key that will go. Again, I will come on India and I say shift tab. When I say shift tab, it goes one level behind. So tab will take you one level ahead. Shift tab will take you one level behind. So now it became simple. You will find a little bit challenging in doing. Okay, so I will select this. And once again, now here you can even do this way, as this is very close. No? So I come over here and I press enter. Khalas, you do this way. Then it will be easy for you. Again, I come over here and I did this. Again, I come on Oman. If I want to go one step behind, what you will do? Shift tab. It went behind and this is perfect. And let's say I can remove this. Khalas. Got it, everybody? Understood? How do we do that? So this way you can apply bullets and numbering, and even you can do like this. So let's say I say enter, enter. You can do like this if you are typing. I put my cursor here and let's say I first enable a bullet. So, oh, directly this bullet is coming now. So I say shift tab, I go behind and let's say I type, for example, over here again, UAE, enter tab. And I say Dubai. Oh, spelling is coming like this, enter. And let's say, for example, I said Kuwait. Now you see, enter. Now I want to go one level behind. I say shift tab. Shift tab will take you one level behind. And I say, for example, India, enter tab. And let's say I say Mumbai, Pune, enter. Shift tab. Oman, enter tab. And I say, for example, Salala, and I say, for example, Muscat. Understood, everybody? Huh? Wait, give me more 1 minute to explain you more in this, and then I should give you time for practice. Now this is the board, this is the bullets. I will select this both. I want to select Mumbai and Pune. So you will press Control. I press Control and I select both of them. Again, I press Control and select both of them. Now I will go here and I can change my bullets. Got it? So this way, friends, you can do it. Okay. So yeah, again over here, how I did. First, you will select this. Then you will press Control. You will select this. Then you will press Control. You will select this. And then you will go here, and from here you can change the bullets. Okay. So go ahead and give it a try, everybody. Okay. One more small thing I will just show you. When you have selected this, you can go here. Even you can change the bullets after that. Now friends, you can even go in more detail. You can even create define new bullet. Means you can have your own bullet. So you can go to the picture, and in the picture you can select any picture which will become a bullet. If you want to change the font, you can add any other symbol as a bullet. So if you want to go more in detail, you can even do it. Let's say, for example, I want this, and I just say okay, and then I will just say okay, and here is your bullet. So in case if you want some very different one, so remember, you go here, you go to the define new bullet, you go to the symbol, and from here, let's say, for example, let's say I put a star and I say okay, and then I say okay, and your work is done. Lovely. This was about the bullets. Give me 1 more minute, sorry for that. But over here you can even have a numbering. So if you don't want that, and if you want it to get converted into this, so you can even do this. It's almost same, but it comes in a number and ABCD. So you can even try that also. Okay. So great. I hope you have understood this. I took a little bit more time, but as I wanted to explain everything into that. So practice this much. When done, put it under the chat box, done. And then we will move to the next topic.